In this lecture, we're going to show how to create hatches. To create a hatches, we have to use a hatch tool. So the hatch tool is used to create hatch lines by clicking inside the closed area. And now we're going to create hatches in those areas. So let's go to the draw panel, and here we have hatch. If you don't see the hatch, you can click on this arrow, and here you will find hatch. So let's click on the hatch. And now here we have a new tab, hatch creation. The simplest way to create a hatch is to click here, pick points, but before you do so, you can select here the pattern that you want to apply. So let's go with this one, an ASI 31. Let's go with a pick points, and now for example, we want to create hatches here, and now you can see the preview. If you want hatches here, you can just click here once. And now here we have hatches. And now if you want to apply same hatch to some other area, you can go here, and you can apply here, like this. When you're over, you can just hit enter. Like this, and now here we have hatches. Now if we want to change some properties, we can just click on those hatches, and here we have again hatch editor. And now for example, let's change the scale of those hatches. So we can go here, and here we can change the hatch pattern scale. So let's go with 3, like this. And now here we can see our lines, and here we can change the angle, and now we have 0 degrees. Let's change this to 60. Like this. And now here we have lines in this direction. If we go to 45 degrees, now our hatch lines are along y-axis. Let's go back to 0, like this. If you want to change the color of the hatches, you can go here, hatch color, and for example, let's go with red one, like this, and click OK. And now here we have red hatches. Let's go to hatch here again. And now here, let's select here some different pattern. Let's go, for example, with this one, ARB816. This one here. And now we're going to click here, select. Not a pick point, but select. And now we can go here with the cursor. And now we can select this rectangle. And now hatches are applied here, but we don't see because we have to change the scale. So let's go with 0.5. Like this. Let's go with 0.1, like this. And now here we can see our hatches. So if you're satisfied with this, you can just go with close hatch creation, like this. Again, if you want to modify this, you can click on this one, and now you can modify your hatches. So let's change the color. Let's go with yellow, like this. And let's go close hatch editor, like this. And now for example, we want to delete those hatches here. We can just click on those hatches, right click, and erase. And now here we don't have hatches. So those are the basics how you can create hatches.